Welcome to Chana Tutorials. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Let me start with asking you a couple of questions. Have you ever wondered why we need to study English as early as preschool? Is English important? What is English for? What skills do I need to discover? Is it difficult? Is it too late for me to study English? These are the questions that we are going to study or discuss in this video. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, grab the chance and do it now. Click the subscribe button and get the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. This video will tackle on, first, importance of English. Second, what are the core skills of the English language? Do you believe with what they say? That education is important to improve yourself. But learning English improves the quality of life. Let us check if this is so in this video. Does any one of you use social media and the internet? What did you notice? Is it not English language is used all the time? Yes. Anywhere in the world today, English is used as a means of communication. It is indeed a universal or an international language. Wherever you go in any parts of the world, as long as you know how to speak English, you will survive. English is used in business, science, and technology. It is also important for socializing, entertainment, and work. English helps you increase your educational opportunities as it is the main language for studying any subject in anywhere around the world. It can also improve your networking skills and allow you to participate in discussions. Therefore, we need to learn English as it broadens our minds, develops emotional skills, improve the quality of life by providing better job opportunities. When you speak good English, it increases your chances of getting a job in a multi-level company or landing a work abroad. So, it is definitely true that when you know English, you can improve your quality of life. Let us move on to the 4 skills of the English language. How many of us are too lazy to read? Common excuse? I don't have time. I don't understand what I read. But don't you know that reading is the most important core of the English language? Reading, we discover new words and enrich our vocabulary. When we read, no matter what type it is, whether it's going to be books, magazines, newspapers, we get oriented with the structures of sentences and it enhances our grammar skills. If our grammar skills are good, then writing will become easy. Some of us are more comfortable with writing rather than in speaking. In writing, we could express our ideas more as we can correct our mistakes readily as we do proofreading. Next is listening. As early as preschool or when we were young, when we were a child, we get to listen to everybody around us. When we get to school, the first thing we do is listen to our teachers. There are our parents whom we get to interact with almost every day of our life, and we get to listen to them all the time. It is from them that we learn correct pronunciation of words or the exact opposite. Next, listening improves our personal lives. We win new friends, increase our social network, get higher grades at school, and good performance at work. Now, let's go to the fourth and the most difficult one, which is speaking. We are too conscious to speak because we don't want to be corrected from our mistakes. That's why a lot of us would never try to even speak simple, good, straight English because we are often entertaining the thought that we get corrected from our mistakes. Now, don't you know that being in front of people, it's not also easy. These pairs of eyes looking at you once you get to open your mouth makes you feel too uncomfortable. So, the more we would not to try to speak in front of people. But don't you know that English is going to help you in a lot of ways. When you are good with speaking English, the tendency is that it boosts your self-esteem and confidence in whatever you get to do. And again, when you speak good English, it helps you in all areas of your life. So, there you have it, the 4 core skills of the English language. Reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Is it too late for you to learn English? No! You still have time. As long as you have the interest to learn and you know the purpose why you need to study the English language. It's never too late for you to improve your skills in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, there you have it, friends. In my next video, I will share some tips to improve your skills of the English language. To keep yourself posted, don't forget to subscribe to this video and keep yourself updated for my new videos. I will share with you some tips on how we are going to improve our skills of the English language. To keep yourself posted, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get updated whenever I get to upload new videos. By the way, should you want any topics for me to discuss or share with you on my next video, comment below and I would definitely find time to work on it in my next videos. Thank you everyone for watching. See you!